Hi, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we're talking about how to hide birthday reminders on Viber. Maybe you find the constant birthday reminders on Viber to be bothersome and you want to hide them. So today I'm going to show you how to hide birthday reminders on Viber. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So let's start. First, open your Viber application and log into your account. Once you are logged in, you'll be taken to the main chat screen. In this page, tap on this more icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will open the Viber menu. From this menu, tap on Settings. In this Settings page, tap on Notifications. Here, you will see an option called Show Birthday Reminders. By default, this option is turned on, which means that you keep on seeing birthday reminders on chat lists and inside private messages. Now, to hide it, simply tap on this button next to it. Once you do that, the button will be unchecked, indicating that you now have successfully hidden birthday reminders on Viber. Now, you will no longer see birthday alerts on group chats and private messages. There you go. If you wanted to know how to hide birthday reminders on Viber, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to hide birthday reminders on Viber, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.